The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online at Fashion Premier Academy. Today we'll talk about our princess style lines and princess seams. There's a couple of different variations. Here are two variations. One, you can clearly see the seam is going from the waistline into the shoulder, and the second one is going into the armhole, right? Here's a clear indication where the seam goes right into the shoulder. This is an old vintage illustration, but it clearly shows you a princess style line, right? And this clearly shows that it goes into the armhole. And here's a more modern version of a princess style line into the armhole again. So let's get to work. By now you know the routine, right? You start with a piece of dotted paper. We're going to take our 2-dart sloper and trace your pattern all the way around. Your notches are clearly marked. Make sure your apex is marked as well. Next, we're going to redraw the legs of the darts, but this time we're going to draw them to the apex, right to the apex. Remember, originally the vanishing point is not touching the apex, but this time we're going to draw the legs to the apex. I'm going to put a notch right at the apex, right across the apex right here, because in a minute we're going to separate these two pieces, and the notch will help us connect the two pieces back together. We have removed the darts. We're going to do one minor adjustment around the apex on the side panel. You see, we have a very sharp corner at the apex on the side panel. So using your French curve or the hip curve, we're going to round this out and smooth this corner. So at this point, we're pretty much done with the drafting part of it, so that when you sew the seam together like this, this becomes our princess style line, or princess seam, from the waistline into the shoulder. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the courses available at Fashion Premier Academy by clicking the link below. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when I post new videos, which is every week. I'll see you in class.